Welcome to the latest Craft Stash Paper Crafting Basics guide. Our Craft Stash guides are designed to show you common techniques alongside tips and tricks within the world of paper crafting. In this video we're going to be looking at basic die cutting. So what I want to show you is how to use a die cutting machine. This is a big shot from a company called Sizzix. There are so many different die cutting machines available on the market. It will depend on budget, size, where you're going to put it, whether you want a manual machine with a handle or whether you want an electronic machine. Now for personal reasons I've got a handle turning machine only because I've had to think about the power that's needed for machines, and sometimes where I live we get quite a few power cuts, so I'd be unable to craft and that would be the end of my world. So I've gone for a manual machine. Now, when you get your machine, you get a platform which is a raised bed area, and it gets you have got different levels with it, a 1 and a 2. And Sizzix have been brilliant to be able to actually put instructions on the actual plates, the adapter plate. So you'll be able to, if in doubt, look at those. You also get 2 acrylic plates. Now these are used to build your sandwich. So in this we will put our die and our card or paper, and this is what goes through the mouth of the machine. Now also you'll be able to use it for your texture plates and embossing folders, and we can look at those later on as we go through the guides. So check out the Craft Stash website to see if there's anything like that available. So dies come in all shapes and sizes. You floral dies, matting and layering dies, intricate dies and shaped dies. What we're going to do today is we're going to just put a shaped die through the machine, and then we can see how you cut it and how it looks. So the die I've chosen is a heart die. It has got a fancy edge, so it's going to show you a nice shape. So what you do is you're going to take your plates. Now a bit of a trick here is keep one plate as new, as they say. Now by doing that, what I mean is when you put your die in the machine, it's going to cut through your card and paper, and it's going to start scratching the actual opposite plate as it goes through. So you will find that one of the plates will wear. So if you try and keep one as the one that you cut into and it wears, and the other one nice and smooth, which will keep your paper and card smooth. So I've placed my die on top of one of my plates, and I've put it face upwards, so it's cutting edge upwards. Now just to point out, the cutting edge is not sharp as it is on a die, and it's only sharp to cut through the paper as it goes through the machine. So there's nothing that's going to catch or cut. So I'm simply placing a piece of card on top of my die, and the card that I've placed on has covered the area where the die is. Next, I place the second acrylic plate over the top, hold them firmly together, and then I'm going to place it on my adapter plate, and then I'm going to feed it through the machine. So it's going to go all the way through as I turn the handle like that, and then I can take my plates out. I can remove the top plate, and you can see how it starts getting marked, so I will keep that for my top plate. Now this has cut through the paper, and all I have to do is gently lift it out. Sometimes they pop straight out, others you just want to pop it out like that, and it's given a good cut edge and it's a perfect die cut. And that's how we run our dies through our die cutting machine to create your perfect die cut. So if for any reason you get a die that is stuck in the actual die as you bring it out of the machine, Sizzix have created a foam pad and roller, and this is a great help, and I'm sure in one of the next videos for intricate dies we'll be looking at how to use that. I had that on standby just in case, so I just wanted to point that out. But it's very simple to die cut, and I'm sure as you go along you'll get more advanced and you'll be die cutting everything and trying everything out. So I do hope you've enjoyed this little guide to how to die cut and how to use your die cutting machine. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the Craft Stash website for more videos, more tips and more tricks. See you next time.